Welcome back to another video in our playlist, which is called as Become an Agent Blazer Champion 2026, where we will be taking up autonomous agents in this particular video. To have a solutions or to find the solutions for the other badges which are above these, there is already a playlist which is already created, so you can just go to that particular playlist and you can find the entire AgentForce Champion solution inside that particular playlist. So in today's videos, we are just focusing on autonomous agents. So we'll directly jump into this particular badge. We have 3 subunits in which we'll be taking up the first one, which is get to know autonomous agents. What is the primary function of an autonomous agent? I think it performs tasks. It saves time and resources and enhance customer experience. Which of these features distinguish autonomous agents from chatbot? Autonomous agents allowed. Okay, autonomous agents take longer to build than chatbots. No, autonomous agents need human help to complete tasks. They can execute tasks independently. We'll tackle the next unit, which is named Established Trust with Autonomous Agents. Which of the following is an important guardrail to consider when building and integrating autonomous agents? Limit your agent's ability to communicate directly with customers. I don't think so. Provide human oversight for more complex and sensitive interactions. Okay, that is the correct answer, I feel. When you deploy an autonomous agent to interact with customers, it is important to be transparent about what, how and when customers are interacting with an autonomous agent, the agent's name. I think this option A is the correct answer. Yes, we have successfully completed our second subunit as well. We'll just go to our last subunit, which is called as Transform Your Business with Autonomous Agents. What is the key benefit of using autonomous agents in customer support? Human representatives can focus on more complex issues. I think that would be a correct answer. What ensures that AgentForce protects your company's data and detects toxicity? I think Einstein Trust Layer is very helpful for that. And yes, we have successfully completed our another badge, which is called as Autonomous Agents.